Welcome to my channel iTech11. Today we are talking about how to download CapCut real version in a PC from a Microsoft tab. There is a lots of crack version, but there is a real version in a Microsoft tab. And how to download? Let's see. Then first go to in setting and search country. Then go to region setting and change this country or region India into United States. Then search US and find the United States and enter. There is automatically changed it and connected. Then close this setting and open the Microsoft tab and search Capcut. Now this is available Capcut software of real version. There is no crack version, but there is one disadvantage. You can't use premium effects, transitions and many more audios. There is only real version because it's not a crack version. So you can buy it from Capcut. Then this is a very short explaining to how to download CapCut in a Microsoft. Then close the Microsoft app and again come into setting and you can search country and come into region setting and you can change United States into India. There is no any problem for this changing. This is only for download CapCut. After you can change it. Then there is a real version of CapCut in a PC from Microsoft app. If this video helped you to, then like, comment and share and subscribe for more tech videos.